Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Kingston Properties, Cape has successfully refinanced its loan facilities in the Cayman Islands and increased total borrowings to acquire a 20,000 square foot fully tenanted office building in the Aztec West Business Park in Bristol, United Kingdom. Cape's expansion into the UK reflects confidence in the country's economic outlook, with projected growth in 2025 driven by increased government spending and anticipated interest rate cuts. The acquisition was supported by a senior secure term facility totaling $21 million provided to Cape Cayman Limited, a member of the Kingston Properties Group, by CIBC Caribbean. The facility refinanced existing term debt previously held with another financial institution, which was originally used to finance commercial property acquisitions. Additionally, the new financing was used to fund the acquisition of the Aztec West property in the UK. With advancing technologies in business, GraceKennedy Remittance Services is introducing an alternative to wire transfers. The company launched a new online platform which it says simplifies international and local money transfers.
Today we launched a game changer for remittances in Jamaica. The ability to send your Western Union international transfers directly from the GK1 app. And you should all be very excited about that. This is more than just a new feature. It's a transformation of how Jamaicans send money globally. GK1 empowers you to send funds quickly, easily, and reliably, all from the convenience of your mobile phone. And we know how prevalent those are in Jamaica. So no more waiting in lines, no more rushing to beat that closing time for the location. GK1 puts the power in your hands.
The company says the app leverages robust security measures to ensure all money transfers are processed safely and reliably.
Our team has security designers a part of the development exercise. And then also at the end, we test the solution. So we've done that in a robust way. We had to produce those results to the Bank of Jamaica, and it met all the criteria. We feel very confident about the security framework that we've put in place, and we've also added specific tools that manage fraud to protect the environment.
Now, banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.97. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.94. $196.33 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $162.97. The JSE index advanced by 934 points, while the junior market index declined by 16 points. Advancing shares were almost equal to declining stocks. The winners included JMMB Group 5.5% US dollar preference share, JMMB Group 8.5% preference share, JMMB Group 7.35% preference share, Productive Business Solutions 10.5% preference share, and Jamaican Teas. Declining stocks included Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, 138 Student Living variable preference share, JMMB Group 7.15% preference share, Margaritaville Turks US dollar share, and First Rock Real Estate Investment. 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.